Are you looking for a mortgage? The process is very simple. I'll walk you through it, ABC. I'm Rudy Lochan, and you are watching Mortgage 101. Are you looking to buy a home? The right thing to do is to get pre-approved. By being pre-approved, you shortcut the process of going to look for a mortgage when you make an offer, and your offer will be received easier than the other people's offer. So get pre-approved before start looking for a home. Before buying a home, you should get pre-approved. Where would you get pre-approved? You can either go to a bank or a mortgage broker. If you go to a bank, you can get pre-qualified and pre-approved. What's the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved? Pre-qualified is just a very informal way of telling, hey, you look good to buy a home. Pre-approved means it's firm. You're approved. You can go and make an offer and purchase a home. So it's better off to be pre-approved. What are the requirements for pre-approval? There are three things you need for pre-approval. Number one, demonstrate good credit. Number two, demonstrate income. And number three, proof of down payment. So in terms of credit, you need to have a history of borrowing and paying, and that will help your credit score. Credit score is ranked between 300 and 900. Anything above 700 is excellent. Income. Income can either be salary or self-employed. Salaried is if you get a paycheck ever so often, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. You're salaried. Self-employed is you work for yourself. Proof of income for self-employed is really your bank account notice of assessment. Down payment has to be in your account. This is what you will put down to purchase the property. For first-time home buyer, the minimum you require is 5%. Anything up to 20%, you'll have to go to the insurer. Above 20%, you don't need an insurer. Let's recap. The three items you need to be pre-qualified are credit bureau, income, and down payment. In terms of documentation, the lender can ask for any document. He can ask for proof of income, proof of expenses, where's your money going, is there alimony support, child payment, car loan, anything that would affect your ability to pay your mortgage. This is packaged and presented in a debt ratio, which the lender uses to determine your credit worthiness and your ability to receive a mortgage. Let's talk about the debt ratio. What really is debt ratio? We hear about debt ratio for pre-approval for a mortgage. Basically, the lender wants to know how much money you receive and how much money goes out on expenses. So they use a formula, a very simple formula. If you make, let's say, $100,000, how much would that $100,000 afford in terms of mortgage? And out of that $100,000, how much is spent on, let's say, alimony or child support or rent or utilities, and then what is actually left over to pay for housing. So they have ratios in the 30%, 1/3 of your money actually should be allocated to pay your mortgage. So those ratios, so you have to be able to manage your expenses and allocate a certain amount for housing. And that's what goes into calculating the ratios to approve you for a mortgage. So we've walked through the pre-approval process. So what's next? Stay tuned. I'll bring that to you in our next video. If you like my video, please, I encourage you to give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to leave me any comments, questions, feedback, please do so in the comment fields below. Also, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel so I can continue to provide you with useful, valuable information like I just did. I am Rudy, your community mortgage broker. Make it a great day.